Paint the area initially with a base coat of Avalanche Sunset. Depending on what's underneath, this will probably take several if not numerous layers. Just make sure to keep each layer thin, not to obscure any detail. Glazed thin down Mornfang brown out to the edges. Glaze the centre area with Uriel yellow. Soften the transition using Avalanche Sunset painted between that and the brown, and then stipple with water to dilute down the paint. Position the model to pull the paintbrush directly down and paint thin lines of Black Legion contrast, filling in with numerous extra layers.